The sensitivity of an aspirating smoke detector is one of the most important features, because the sooner a fire is detected, the faster countermeasures can be taken and damage can be prevented. TITANUS REX is highly versatile and designed for a wide range of operating conditions, from highly sensitive areas to demanding environments with a high potential for false alarms. The system combines maximum detection performance with further improved false alarm immunity, a crucial factor in avoiding unnecessary operational interruptions. The new generation operates with high precision and provides reliable detection when every second counts, especially in critical infrastructures such as data centers. To precisely detect few smoke particles and distinguish real fire smoke from other interfering sources, even in high-dust environments or deep freeze areas, we have developed a completely new detector module with optimized optics and geometry, as well as our own highly sensitive AC photodetector chip. These innovations allow us to precisely evaluate the faintest signals and detect smoke particles earlier than ever before. With TITANUS REX, we are setting a new standard in fire detection technology.